Yes, once again, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to repair artificial dreads. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to hit the notifications bell for more inspiring skills development videos like this. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comments box below. Let's get into the video. So make sure the hair is well washed, it's clean, it's hydrated, and this time we are going to use molding gel as usual. We are going to use a spray bottle with water and a crochet needle, small one, with of course a puff holder. Because these artificial dreads are bulky and long, we have to puff them up to avoid interference when we are repairing the dreads. Yes. So after you've puffed them, you start on the repairing, one dreadlock at a time. You lock all the hair growth into the dreadlock, all the natural growth under, you lock it into the dreadlock. You pass the crochet needle in, roll it on the dreadlock, pass the crochet needle in the natural hair, pull, hook the dreadlock, the kinky dreadlock, and pull it through the lock. Make sure you're tender, not to hurt the person you are working on. Remember, artificial dreadlocks pain, they pain. Make sure you gather all the natural hair around, roll it. After doing that, repair the entire dreadlock. All the hair standoffs, the hair standing off the lock, pass the crochet needle into the lock and pull the hair through. Repeat the whole process while repairing the artificial dreadlocks, while you're locking them. There is repairing without locking, but this time we are locking them. Yes. Make sure after locking the growth down, you also go ahead to repair the whole entire dreadlock. Repair the whole entire dreadlock by pulling the hair standoffs into the lock using your crochet needle. Yes. Continue to do it up to the end. Continue to repair the lock up to the end. Make sure your work is clean and neat, so that the person you're repairing looks nice after the work is done. After repairing the whole lock, make sure you rub it in the middle of your two palms, from top to bottom, so that it's neat and looks clean and nice. Roll the lock, loosen that part. You have to loosen it with the crochet needle, so that it's easy for you to pass the crochet needle and to hook the dreadlock and pull it through. Look at how the work is. Look at them. They look nice, firm, and nicely done. Repeat the same process all through the whole head. Repair all the locks. Pass the crochet needle down under in the growth. Pull, hook the dreadlock, pull it through, and gather all the growth under of natural hair. Pull it through using the crochet needle to repair the dreadlock, the artificial kinky dreadlocks. Do it through the whole head. Look at that well. Pass the crochet needle down, hook the artificial kinky lock, pull it through while supporting the lock itself to make sure all the hair is nicely locked, and then go ahead to repair the entire dreadlock by pushing the crochet needle through the kinky lock and pulling in the standoff hairs. You pull them into the lock them into the dreadlock, the kinky lock. Look at that. Watch that properly. You can repeat, you can rewind the video and look at it well. Make sure you support the lock while pulling it a bit when you are passing the dreadlock through to avoid hurting the person. So after you're done, you can just put a little gel, molding gel, in front, just in front. Don't overdo it the whole head. Just to lock in the baby hairs, to lock them in. And don't apply molding gel onto the artificial dreadlocks, onto the kinky dreadlocks. Once you've rubbed them into your palms, they are clean and neat. They don't need molding gel. Molding gel is just put in front on the baby hairs and massage them into the lock. Yes. You can then add oil and puff your hair. Look at her, looking great. Wow, lovely. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like the video, to share it, to empower others. And please leave me a comment in the comments box below. Tell me what you think. Rate my work from 0 to 10. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for more interesting, educative videos like this one. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.